If they are patient and willing to listen and willing to practice some of what we are offering, many of them discover that when they turn their attention to what they want and begin speaking of what they want and pretending that it is happening, or imagining that it is happening, or try to remember a time when something like it was happening, as they begin to achieve a vibrational essence with their desire, then the universe gives them the proof that they're seeking. The universe then yields to them what they're asking for. There are 3 steps, very simple steps. The first step to creating anything that you want. The first step is you must ask, but it doesn't mean you have to ask with words. You just have to be in a situation where desire radiates from you, which is every waking moment of every point of consciousness. You're asking constantly. So step 1 is taken care of automatically by your exposure to your contrasting life experience. Step 2 is not your work. Step 2 is Source will answer what you're asking for. Circumstances and events go immediately into place. All kinds of things begin to move. Heaven and earth moves to yield to you what you're asking for. Every time, no exceptions. Step 3 is really what our work is about. Step 3 is where you must now find somehow, some way to be a vibrational match to your own desire. So someone says, I want more money. And we say, and what would it be like if you had more money? And they often say, well, it's so hard to be without money. And we say, but what would it feel like to have more money? And they say, well, it wouldn't feel like it feels with not enough money. It's hard for them. This is the hardest part of this. It's hard to all of a sudden stop offering a vibration that you've been practicing for a very long time. And so many people have been trying to justify the good that will come to them by pointing out what's wrong with where they are. And so we call our gatherings the art of allowing. And what it is really about is the art, and we call it an art because you have to practice it, the art of bringing yourself into vibrational alignment with who you really are, which feels really good, and what you want. And with time, many people are beginning to discover that just by looking at things a little differently, and most important, by wanting more than anything to feel good. When you say nothing is more important than that I feel good, then and only then are you willing to find a way of looking at things that holds you in a vibrational place that then allows what you are asking for in.